Good morning, everybody. I decided to share this morning with you because it is so peaceful out here. All the birds are chirping and they're sprinting around the garden. And I've been doing some harvesting and feeding the chickens and the rabbits, and I decided to share with you. So I hope you enjoy as much as I do. Let's get started. Mary's so cute. She's always sprinting. You know, with chickens, the grass is always greener on the other side. And every morning, these chickens have to have a taste of those potato plants. See this imperfect egg, not to be mistaken for a fairy egg, which is smaller. You may want to add oyster shells to their diet because it's a great source of calcium. Okay, ladies. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Some say do not feed the chickens back their eggs because they might start eating their own eggs on their own. And you may want to review the ingredients of the feed. My Oregon Star Paste Determinate tomatoes have started to blush here and there, but they're not consistently blushing all at the same time. Many people I hear are having a bad tomato year. What are you doing? Good morning. Is she in there? Yeah? You guys done eating? Alright, I'll leave you alone. Have a good day. I believe these are called a Figaro jalapenos. They are a larger variety, but I am very impatient, so I am picking them early. They will still make a great addition to Mexican food, and I plan on freezing them, and then when I start cooking, I will blister them on the stove. Note the coffee cup. I came to the conclusion that saying to grow love comes more natural than saying gather. Remember to plant kindness to gather love. Hey, I said it! These jalapenos are regular ones, and you note that they are kind of sun scorched. So I'm picking them now, even though I would like to leave them on the plant a little bit longer. Yeah. I love all the varieties of nasturtiums, just kind of planted here and there throughout the garden. All different colors, different shades, and yeah, I love variety. And nasturtiums are one of my favorite flowers out there. This purple borage looks absolutely beautiful against the salmon colored nasturtium. Here is a beautiful calendula flower. It is medicinal, and I love the color of orange. Cosmos are pretty much done. They're pretty spent, but I'm leaving them here so they can reseed themselves and hopefully come up again next year. Now, for those who don't know, my favorite cucumbers, the silver slicer, is a white cucumber and is very fresh eating. This year is no different. The weather's been crazy, up and down, raining, cold, hot, very hot, cold again. The cucumbers didn't really have a chance. They're just now forming flowers. I can't remember what this rose is called, but it is a vining rose, and it goes along the fence of the dog run, because the dog run is an eyesore. We all need pretty little flowers to make us smile, and these zinnias make me smile. Fall, autumn, is just around the corner, my favorite time of year. It's also when my birthday is, in October anyway. And there's just something about the colors, the oranges, the yellows, even burnt orange. I am so ready for the fall. I just want to show you this flower. I had so many male zucchini and squash flowers throughout the garden this year. And here is, in its glory, female flower. Yes, I spoil my girls, but they give me joy, so I'm willing to spoil my girls. They get a lot of treats from the garden. They get a lot of bugs and slugs and spiders. Because Flora's laying an egg. She's not coming. They're worth it. They give me eggs. And they give me joy. Especially Mary. She's a silly little girl. And she's always wanting my attention. Why are you always so mad? You don't like me taking your eggs, huh? No. Well, you just want a taste. Sorry, girls. They're mine. The artichokes are looking lovely. Soon, my friends, soon. In this green stalk, we have the chard and the collards, but nothing else yet, being indecisive here. By the way, I did not grow butternut squash here. I planted a darker winter squash. Can't remember the name. But I do know these are bok choys. This is my in-ground garden, which I'm going to expand this year with raised beds. I already started, got the cardboard down, and I'm making layers, and I will be doing this throughout the winter, so no weeds can get through. It'll be so thick with cardboard. And so you know, I am not sponsored by these two companies that are printed on these boxes. I am just a little channel. They're just companies that I have been using for some time now, and I truly enjoy them. I trust them, and they are really good companies that are worthy of my praise. I have also been adding yard debris to the raised beds that we already put in here just a couple of weeks ago, and now I have these crumpled up pieces of packing paper, which when wet will become food for the worms that have already been added. Strawberries are normally a late spring to early summer crop, but mine are trying to come back. And I don't think borage ever goes away. And most of the heirloom slicer tomatoes are still green. These are Kellogg's Breakfast, and believe it or not, this is a Cherokee Purple. Even with all the calcium, magnesium added, it's still doing this. And over here is a Mr. Stripey. Claire over here is the early girl, which I have a video of when I first put it in, because it was my first tomato of the year. And back towards us is the Dr. White Cheese. Wheat cheese. Whatever. You're such a good girl. Yes, you are. You're such a good girl. And so are you. Yes. So I hope you liked that video as much as I did filming it. I hope I captured it in the way that I envisioned. As I was going along, I had the sensation of euphoria, kind of, as you do when you're doing something that you absolutely enjoy. So we're going to wrap this up. And to remember to plant kindness, to grow love. God bless and have an awesome day. And I hope you have an awesome day, truly. I appreciate you. Until next time.